Hey,
okay, bust it.
Hey, go Duckie,
go Duckie,
go. Hi Vogue, I'm Duckie Thot. Tune in as we spend the day in Accra, Ghana. Okay guys, so I usually like to start my day with a run. I do it almost every morning when I try. And then a nice healthy breakfast. So today we're gonna start off here and then we're going to go meet a really amazing photographer at the market, which is going to be fun. And then we're gonna head to the studio. My friend KiDi is gonna be there and we're gonna catch a vibe, catch some jams, and then we're gonna end the day at Kozo with some great food and drinks. Time to get changed. Meet me upstairs. So what helps me with my daily routine is affirmations. Sounds really basic, but for me it keeps me funneling and going through the day. I know this might sound a bit crazy, but I think it's super important to see, visualize, and manifest your goals. Okay guys, so as I get ready for my day, I try to keep it as cute as possible, as chic as possible, and as fashionable as possible. We love a little Jean-Paul Gaultier, obviously Fendi because major. An Australian designer, Meshki, love right now. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear yet. Depending on my hair and makeup and what I choose to do, we'll just kind of go from there. Hey. Okay guys, so one thing about me, I am the travel essential queen when it comes to products. It's my favorite thing to do. I definitely have more things for my skin than I do makeup. Face mist, I am here in Ghana. It's hot, it's sweaty. We love Black-owned companies. What's up? This has been super amazing. I've been using it on my scalp. There's so many products here that I love. Skin, body, hair, everything. Okay guys, so we are at the Accra Art Center right now. This is my friend Ask Photos. She's an awesome, amazing photographer here in Ghana. So come on, let's have a look and quickly see what's going on inside the art center. This is so exciting. There's so many beautiful, vibrant colors. Alright guys, so we have just left the art center photo op situation. I hope you guys really liked that part. Sorry it's a bit dark, I don't know if you can see my face. But yeah, fave. Okay guys, so this is my friend KiDi, aka Nani, aka KiDi.
Say cheese.
There you go.
Take a picture, strike a pose, make I see Duckie, say cheese. So last time we were talking and then you were telling me how you wanted to buy a property here. I want to know why you decided that this is the move you want to make.
Okay, I think so many Africans are feeling the same move for Ghana. I think everybody's kind of on that same wave that like, here's the hub. Everybody kind of, after the year of return, hey, right?
Go Ghana, go Ghana. Everything we're doing here is catching international eye. Be it the music, be it the movie, be it the fashion, be it the street, skates, urban, whatever it is, we're getting a lot of international people coming in like, yo, what you're doing is super cool.
We are recording a new single together. It's rare.
Oh my girlie, Duckie, color branding like a Duckie.
I think we need to cut this one. Okay, so guys, we are at Kozo. This is my good pal, my sis.
This is like where you come to eat before you step out.
Pre-drinks.
Yeah, and then we're back home at like 9 a.m.
Cheers. So we are done. Thank you so much for joining me. Toodaloos, my friend. Hi guys, I'm Duckie Thot. To watch more videos, subscribe here.